What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. My name is Alex, this is me, and I'm the owner of Panaprium.com, a blog about sustainable fashion. This is my blog. And on my blog I talk about slow fashion brands, I talk about ethical fashion, I talk about outfit and clothing that are better for people and the planet. I'm very successful with this blog and I make tons of money every month with this blog. And in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how I make money with my blog. Panaprium.com makes over 6 figures every year. It also drives hundreds of thousands of new visitors every month, right? And the main way to make money with a blog is, of course, driving traffic to it. You need to drive traffic to the different articles that you write on your blog. For example, this one, I have popular articles on my blog that rank very high on Google, and this is how I make my money. There are basically two main ways to make money with a blog. The first one would be advertising, placing advertisement in your content, and the second one would be affiliate marketing, selling affiliate products on your blog. But first, in order to do any of this, you would need traffic. You need people coming to your website. And on my blog, I have a ton of success with it because there are plenty of people that visit all of the articles on my website every month. As you can see, if you look at the statistics for my blog, this is the traffic that is quite stable on my blog, and this is exactly where it comes from. The marketing channels. If you look at the marketing channels, you can see that the top traffic source to Panaprium.com, my blog, is organic search traffic. Right here on my blog, I make all of my money because I focus on organic search. I focus on people coming to my blog through Google search. I don't use any of the other ways to make a lot of traffic coming to my blog. Direct traffic, a little bit, but no referral, no paid search, almost no social, no newsletter, no display advertising. I focus solely on organic search. What is organic search? Well, let's look at the example article right here. This is a very popular article on my blog that drives a lot of traffic to it. And if we look at the keywords in the title and search them on Google, you can see that this blog post rank number 1 on Google. And this is what I do. I make all of my money on my blog because I rank the articles that I write on my blog number 1 in the first page on top of all the other search results. Right here you can see Panaprium, the title of my article ranking number 1. And when people type the keywords in the search bar, they see my blog first, they click on the title and they read through the article. They read through the article, they see the advertisement, they see the affiliate products that they purchase, and this is how I make my money. So the first way to make money with a blog, and the best way to make money with a blog, especially if you are new to blogging, especially if you are a beginner blogger, and the easiest way, arguably the easiest way to make money with a blog is advertising. What is advertising? Advertising is placing advertisement in your content. On my blog I have advertisement at the top, advertisement at the bottom, advertisement on the side. You can't see the advertisement right now because I have the ad blocker activated. But here you can see, for example, some blank space in the sidebar, at the top of the sidebar, at the bottom of the sidebar, and in the content as well, right here. And these are all ad placement. These are all the different possibilities to place advertisement in my content. And I make money with my blog because people scroll through the content, they read the article, and they see the advertisement at some point and then click on the advertisement, and this makes me money. Every time people click on the advertisement, I earn something that the ad agency pays me. To place advertisement on your website, just like I do, you would need to join an ad agency, an advertisement agency that will manage all the advertisement for you on your website. The second way to make money, and what I use especially for my blog, is of course affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is why you should promote product on your blog. You should promote affiliate product on your blog. Basically, you would place in your content affiliate links and promote affiliate products in your content. For example, if we look at the article about organic cotton jeans, right? I have tons of affiliate products right here. These are all different brands that are promoted on my blog. And these are all products from the brand that I have an affiliation with. I have an affiliate relationship with this brand. All of these brands in the content, they are showing affiliate products to my audience. So when people see my articles #1 on Google, they click on my article and they see then in the content the product recommendation. These are all sustainable fashion products made of organic or recycled materials that are better for people and the environment that I recommend to my readers and to my audience. And every time people click on these affiliate products, click on my affiliate links in the subheadings, under the images, in the text as well, they click on the affiliate links, they go to the partner website or the brand or the retail shop that I've partnered with, and they make a purchase. I earn a commission. I earn a small commission on every affiliate product that I sell through my blog. And these are the two main ways to make money. These are the two main ways that I use on my blog to make money as well. First, you need, of course, to drive traffic. You need a lot of traffic coming to your blog. I have a lot of traffic coming to my blog every month so that people read through my content and they find on my blog advertisement. Every time people click on an advertisement right here on the side or in the content, I earn money. And every time people click on a product and make a purchase, an affiliate product, like this, I recommend clothing, I recommend beautiful clothing to my audience on my blog. Every time someone make a purchase, I earn a small commission. And these are the two main ways that I make money with my blog. And if you are a blogger, I highly recommend that you use these two ways to make money with your blog as well. You would need to join an ad agency to place advertisement in your content. And you would need to partner with brands through affiliate marketing and promote their product in your blog post. Depending on your niche, you can promote any kind of product. I am in the fashion niche, so I promote fashion product. I promote clothing pieces to my audience. But depending on your niche, you have different types of brand or store or retailers that you can partner with and place affiliate product in your content. And this is the best ways to make money with a blog. Of course, you have other ways to make money with a blog, but I don't use them at all. These are the two main ways to make money with a blog. Other ways would be to create your own product, right? You could, instead of using affiliate products in your content, just like this, promote your own product that you would do, right? I don't have the means right now to start a clothing brand and make clothing products, so I sell clothing products from other brands, right? But I could start my own clothing line, for example, and sell clothing from me that I make. This is another way to make money with a blog. You could also offer a service. Instead of selling products like this, you could offer a service. I could, for example, offer a styling service to my audience. This would be a possibility to make money. Being a personal stylist, and people would pay me to give them styling advice, for example. Another way would be sponsorship. You can accept sponsor posts on your blog, people paying you to post their content on your website. For example, all of these articles right here, they are from me. All of these articles I've written myself. But people can also pay you to post their content. You would have sponsored content in your blog. This is also a possibility, but I don't use this possibility at all. I stick to advertising and affiliate marketing mostly, and I don't do the other ways, but there are a possibility if you want to do them as well. If you want to learn exactly the exact strategy that I use on my blog to make money in a lot of details, because this was a very quick overview, you could check out my blogging course. I have a blogging course called Ultimate Blogging Course Bundle, where I present you 5 different courses. The first one would be how to start a blog Here you could learn exactly how to start a successful blogging business, just like I did on my website with my blog. You can also learn how to write top ranking articles. If you want to, of course, place #1 on Google, just like I do with my article and my website right here. You can learn exactly what I do in this course, writing top ranking articles. You can also learn blogging on Shopify, because Shopify is a platform that I use for my blog. My blog is not on WordPress or anywhere else. I choose Shopify as a blogging platform, and this platform, Shopify, made me very successful, and I highly recommend that you use Shopify as well. If you want to start a blog, just check this course out if you want to know exactly why I choose Shopify as a blogging platform. Here I also have a course about SEO. SEO to optimize your whole website for the search engine. SEO stands for search engine optimization. If you want to rank #1 on Google, it's of course very important to write quality content for Google, but you need to optimize your whole website. So this course is about exactly that. And of course, I have a course on affiliate marketing where I go in detail about how to choose the affiliate products that you present on your blog and how to make people actually buy the affiliate product that you promote to them. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot. If you want to know more, check out my blog, check out the blogging section on my blog where you will learn exactly what I do on my website right here. Of course, check out the blogging course if you want to know the exact method and strategies that I use on my blog to make it so successful and drive hundreds of thousands of people to its pages every month. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, comment down below if you have any question about any of this, and I will see you in the next video.